let's be honest.
Okay.
It's been 11 years now here in Kashmir.
Yes.
Do people still ask you if Singapore is part of China?
I mean, because they look more Chinese, with the small eyes and vagera. So, no, not at all. Actually, mainland Singapore is from Malaysia. So, Malay land, but it is actually ruled by the British colonial. And then because of the ministers are Chinese. So, and then Chinese influence is huge in Singapore. Yeah, I agreed on that.
Language you speak there.
Okay. I've multi-languaged there because we have different country, races, and all these things, right? So me personally, I can speak Mandarin. I can speak, which is Chinese. I can
Yeah.
speak Malay, fluent Indonesian. Okay, I can speak Malaysian language. Then I now thoda ka Hindi bhi arti ho. Metropai and that kind of thing. Yes, yeah.
Kashmiri is great. Mandarin Chinese is considered one of the toughest languages to learn.
Of course, it's difficult when you have your handwriting on it, Chinese calligraphy, and same goes to Hindi calligraphy. It's difficult to understand, but it's more on a conversation language that we understand.
When you learned it here in Kashmir, did you feel like you are entering Bollywood set?
Let me
Those kind of
okay, let me tell you one thing, okay? Don't judge so fast about Kashmir. Okay, don't get easily fooled by the first impression of Kashmir. Okay? We are very straightforward. Okay, foreigners have this when you talk A is A, B is B, that is black or white. There's no gray in between. Okay. But Kashmir has, you cannot be too sweet every time. There's too much sweetness.
So you
That
think
somehow the bitterness is hidden.
so you think that it's pretentious kind of
Somehow mita ka zuban, sweetness, and when too much hospitality and all those things, I mean, be honest. I mean, be real. We are basically human. You meet a person at 5 minutes, 2 minutes, everything is sweetness. But inside of Kashmir, there's
you are
more to
actually
tell.
generalizing it,
Kashmir itself is beautiful,
Okay.
naturally created by God. Kashmir people are naturally created by God, also beautiful. They have sharp features, beautiful eyes, nice skin complexions, vagera.
Obviously, please don't at me.
Okay, look as one Kashmiri. So what I mean is beautiful in everything, but be real, na.
Over there, they are listening to you and they might be having so many questions. They would ask thereafter in the comment section. But wow, full on like native intel for now. Things changing in all these years, like in 11 years. Have you felt any change?
In Kashmir,
Yeah.
I think things are progressing. I don't deny the fact that foreign influence are coming in Kashmir. I don't blame Kashmir being a bit more laid back compared to other parts of India because I think the whole entire issues, non-stopping political issues, and then I think Kashmir people start to feel like giving up, like they get immune to it until they just not know how to respond. So they become very laid back when the tourism was happening up after COVID and then Pahalgam attack comes in. Then everything goes back again. And in 11 years in Kashmir, I went through the part where the curfew was there, internet connection go off, all these things.
You are spotting so many issues, but still in Kashmir, why?
Yes, because there's I believe in Kashmir more than Kashmiri people believe in themselves.
Wow.
Okay. I believe there's a huge potential in Kashmir because there's so many untouched areas.
Okay.
There's so many virgin out there. In so many. Not that manner of virgin, but I mean in the manner of like things are not developed a lot. Things are still where it is for many, many years. So these are the things that need to wake up call.
Okay.
Yeah, need a wake up call. And for most of us who being like, they doesn't see what they worth of, that is the issue.